case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A grainy disagreement sprouted between Cargill Inc., a major cash merchandiser of agricultural commodities, and Stafford, a country grain elevator operator, ripening into a landmark case in 1977. A bungled confirmation letter served as the seed of the dispute, sprouting a string of complications that tumbled all the way up the United States Court of Appeals for the 10th Circuit. The original issue was a request from Cargill to Stafford to purchase wheat. Stafford agreed, pending a written confirmation. However, Cargill made an unfortunate blunder, sending the confirmation to Stafford's brother's elevator, a wrong address. Stafford's wife then compounded the error by forwarding it to yet another incorrect address, leading to the letter's return to Stafford Elevator. The complication did not end there, however. A subsequent phone call saw Stafford requesting a protein premium to be added to the confirmation, while also agreeing to sell additional wheat to Cargill. The corresponding confirmations met the same fate as their predecessor, journeying to the incorrect elevator again. This time, Stafford objected to the optional cancellation provisions included. Cargill, however, urged Stafford to go forward with the deal regardless, an urging that was ultimately refused. Consequently, Cargill filed a lawsuit against Stafford for breach of contract, arguing for damages due to the inflation of wheat prices during the ordeal. The court ruled in favor of Cargill in the first round, declaring Stafford in breach of contract and awarding damages to Cargill. This decision wasn't entirely satisfactory for either party, leading both to appeal. Upon review, the Court of Appeals affirmed the initial ruling with an adjustment. It revoked Cargill's damages awarded on July 31st. In a granular exploration of the case, the court underscored that a buyer can advocate for continued performance under 42713 for a reasonable time. However, they are expected to cover or opt for a substitute good if one is available after that time period. If a valid reason prevents covering, damages could be calculated from when performance was due in the original contract. It was this point that required probing for the court. Cargill was perceived to have had a reasonable time to cover after Stafford's anticipatory repudiation, yet it remained uncertain if they undertook efforts to cover or if a feasible substitute wheat was accessible. Due to this, the court sent the case back once more to determine the precise cut of recoverable damages for Cargill. But in a balancing act of justice, each party was left to bear their own costs. In the interplay of missed communications and wheat prices, what could have been a simple transaction morphed into a complex legal wrangle, grounding home the importance of detailed confirmations in the world of commodities trading.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.